Today, I'm going to talk to you about the 6 biggest trends in marketing for 2026. Industry reports continue to show a big shift from vanity metrics to performance data. Revenue attribution, first-party data, and privacy changes are making the web more complicated than ever. Let's dive into it. Item number 1, connecting revenue directly to ads and feeding that revenue back into the ad system. This is going to take your performance marketing to a new level. Item number 2, AI or generative engine search engine optimization. Within ChatGPT, within Google AI mode, within Gemini, within Perplexity, we can now see the sentiment of your brand. We can now connect conversations inside of these AI search engines to conversions. We can see referring site traffic, and we can see how often you're showing up. While this is in its infant stages, this channel is going to grow significantly over the next 3 to 5 years. Number 3, the return of broad awareness marketing. People have been pushing the bottom funnel marketing so hard that they're at a point now where they're reinvesting in broad awareness marketing. TV, radio. Now, what's great is those things now are connected to digital. For example, you can advertise on YouTube in people's televisions in their home. You can do this by zip code. You can do this to your first-party data. You can do this to people who are in market for a product or service that you're selling. So now we can go a little bit more broad and we can go a little bit more upper funnel, but still have good targeting. Also, people are realizing that there's some markets that are very much demand-based and some markets that are very much awareness-based. If you're not in a major city, you really need to create awareness for your product or service and nurture those people over time. Item number 4, deeper personalization inside of advertising and lifecycle marketing. With data in your database, you can now identify people's names, the companies they're with, and their location in your ads, your landing pages, and your emails. You can also have personalized conversations with them in chat. Number 5, first-party data dominance. The platforms are removing more and more targeting and making things more and more broad. Companies everywhere are building their lists so that they can have more first-party data and go back to those great customers over time on all the different platforms. Item number 6, creative testing at scale. Finding what works on organic social media and then using that in ads. Creating different versions of advertising and advertising that broadly throughout Meta, throughout YouTube, throughout Google. Each of these networks is generally making their advertising more and more broad, but allowing their algorithms to do more work and identify the right prospects for you. So it's all about your creative. If you've got 100 people in a room and your creative raises the hand of 30 of those people instead of 10, you're going to be winning in 2026. What did you think about these marketing predictions? Leave a comment below. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.